Today, we're going to talk about a beautiful dream that many English learners have. The dream of speaking English confidently and smiling with pride.
Yes, Annie. This video is all about motivation and belief. If you are learning English and sometimes feel low, this conversation is for you.
Let's begin with a thought. Have you ever imagined yourself speaking fluent English in front of a group of people? Speaking clearly, without fear, and everyone listening to you with interest? That's a dream many learners hold deep in their hearts.
Exactly. And the best part is, that dream can come true. Not overnight, not suddenly, but slowly and surely. Every learner, no matter where they start from, can reach that level.
I remember when I started learning English. I was shy. I was scared that people would laugh at my mistakes. So I avoided speaking in front of others. But I kept thinking, one day I will speak English and smile with pride.
That sentence is powerful. One day I will speak English and smile with pride. It's not just about language. It's about hope, about self-belief, about moving forward even when it's tough.
Every English speaker you admire today, whether they're a teacher, speaker, or actor, started as a beginner. Maybe they also struggled with pronunciation, grammar, or speaking fluently. But they didn't give up.
That's the key. They didn't stop. They kept practicing, kept learning. They made mistakes, they corrected them, and they moved forward.
You know what's interesting, Altaf? The smile part. When we imagine ourselves speaking English and smiling, it shows that it's not just about language skills. It's about confidence.
That's right. When you smile with pride, it means you feel strong, happy, and successful. It means you've reached a goal that once felt impossible.
And the journey to that goal is filled with small steps. Maybe today you learned a new word. Tomorrow you try using it in a sentence. The day after you speak it out loud in front of your friend.
Each of these steps adds up. It's like climbing a mountain. The top seems far, but with every step, you get closer. And one day, you will stand at the top, look back, and smile with pride.
Yes. And even if you're making mistakes today, that's not failure. That's part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new.
In fact, I would say mistakes are signs that you're trying. If you're not making mistakes, maybe you're not challenging yourself enough.
And to every learner watching this video, please don't compare your English to others. Everyone has their own path, their own speed. Your journey is unique and beautiful.
Yes, Annie, and your voice matters. Even if your English isn't perfect today, it still deserves to be heard.
Some days you may feel frustrated. You might think, why is it taking so long? But don't let that feeling stop you. Say to yourself, it's okay. I'm learning. One day I will speak English and smile with pride.
Repeat it like a promise to yourself. Say it again and again. Every time you feel low, remind yourself why you started.
I love that, Altaf, because when you keep going, even slowly, you build something strong, confidence, clarity, and courage.
And that courage will help you speak up. Maybe in class, maybe at work, maybe during a trip. And in that moment, when you speak English clearly and someone understands you, you'll feel so proud.
That moment is special. It's not just about language. It's about all the effort behind it. All the reading, practicing, listening, and believing.
And the best part? You'll inspire others. People around you will see your journey and they'll think, if they can do it, maybe I can too.
That's how your dream becomes a gift for others too. Just by being brave, you become a light for someone else.
So keep learning one day at a time. Speak, even if your voice shakes. Try, even if you feel nervous.
Celebrate your small wins. If you spoke one sentence today without stopping, amazing. If you understood one English video, great job.
Every step matters. Every little effort adds up. And one day, you will look in the mirror, speak English with confidence, and smile with pride.
Before we end this video, let's say it together. One day I will speak English and smile with pride.
Yes, repeat it with us. One day I will speak English and smile with pride. That day is coming. Stay strong. Stay positive.
In this video, we talked about hope, courage, and the dream of speaking English with confidence.
We reminded ourselves that every learner starts from zero, and every step takes us closer to our goal.
We learned that mistakes are part of learning and that every effort matters.
And most importantly, we repeated a powerful belief that one day you will speak English and smile with pride.
Thank you for watching. Keep believing in yourself.
Keep learning with us at English with Altaf. See you in the next video.